chose Senergy to install our solar panels because they had a good reputation from reviews that we'd seen. Communication was excellent and they are a local company to us, so that was quite important that we use local tradesmen. The process starts with a discussion and a consultation around what we wanted to achieve with the install, and then Senergy analysed what we were after, presented some options, and once we'd had the quote, the install team were very efficient. They turned it around very quickly and they cleared away all their mess and everything, so it was generally a good experience. It was very slick, start to finish. There was excellent communication from Senergy. Even now, after the install, we still have regular communication concerning the efficiency of the install. They were very helpful, making sure that the install was adjusted to our requirements, so that was very good. Any questions that I've had post-build, they've answered very quickly, and yeah, so it was a good experience. Because we sized our install to be generating enough power in spring and autumn to self-sustain the house, it does mean that in summer we are actually getting paid by the grid for that extra energy. In the other months it breaks even, and then in the winter it means our bills are halved, maybe even reduced to a third or a quarter. Yeah, I would recommend them. They were better value than some of the other companies out there, and their delivery team were very good, and the overall end-to-end process was quite slick and well communicated, so I would, yeah.